Hi, this is Samuel Dennison, your academic coach here again, going through how to access the help desk. So, if you are in Coursera, you'll see all these different buttons and options, and it can be a little confusing to figure out where to get to the help desk for those particular tricky technical issues. If you go to the top right corner, you'll see your icon, your profile icon, and your name. You'll click the caret, and you'll see the tab that says Help Center, and click that and it'll load you into the Help Center where there is a search bar for you to search up specific questions or topics that may already be discussed in the help topics or any questions that you might have that you don't want to chat with. There isn't a number to call, but if you do want to talk with a live agent, you can click with the Chat with Us box and a Coursera support agent will be happy to assist you. You'll pick a issue from the Dropbox. If you don't see your issue here, you can click Other and then type in the text what that issue is, and a live support agent will be happy to help you. And that is how you access the Help Center.